Okay, I'm gonna try to make the brick explode or do some animation. So right now it's just disappearing. So I'm gonna make it change states. Um, let's see if we can make that work. Oops, let's exit out. So just gonna make a simple state machine for the ball. Right now, what we're doing is if it collides, this is the collision of the ball with any brick, and it just removes it. Instead of removing it, we'll just change the state, and as the state, we can have multiple states. We'll start. Let's just do an integer state for now. State, and we'll just start state 0. Let's say that's the solid state, and then we'll create a function here, public. Ooh, let's see, void set collide hit state or something like that, and say state equals 1. So as soon as I hit it, it should increment it, and then we'll create another state. Check public check ready to remove. So here they're gonna say if state equals 1, returns false. Oh, no, return 0 false. If state is greater than, let's say, 5, let's say return true. That means animate it for 5 frames, and then after that make it ready to be deleted. And then here I'm just gonna keep incrementing the state and return false too. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but let's start there. And then let's go to our program, main loop, and here we will set hit state. So now it's in hit state, so we will also hate doing this. Okay, so now I want to kind of check the similar instead of alright, could I just type this in, check ready to remove, and then I just do remove. No, bricks, yeah, bricks that remove B, and I want to clear the brick too if it's there, and I want to actually break out of the loop, because this loop will have issues because I'm deleting as if elements as I'm iterating through. There's better ways to do this. Again, it's easy to understand what's there, get it working, and then figure out better ways to do this. Okay, so, and here I want to check I guess I can check if it's and not ready to be removed. No, I want it B equals, I want it actually save its state equals 0. Maybe I should create a function for that, but let's try, we'll see what it does. Oh, that's interesting. It's changing color, but what it's doing. So it's somewhat animating. All right. Not sure how it's doing different colors, but not worried about that. Here now I'm gonna do state 0. We want to do this. Else case. If state, I'm gonna alternate with something. Alternate and all right, so I'm gonna do, let's do something like that. And here, it's a lame way of making it look like it's exploding. But let's start. What would be? No. Okay, we'll try that. All right. And I want to alternate it, so it's kind of animating. But you know, as you can see, you can have 4 different states, have 4 different animations. I'm just gonna flip that around. I want to see what it does. And I actually want to flip colors too. Let's see what it does. Whoa. Looks crazy, but it's doing something. So if I actually figure out what I want it to animate, actually, I think the color, let's see, where's the red? So 0. So 0, 1, 2 might be 0, 2, 1, 0. Let's see if that looks kind of like red, yellow, and orange. Might give us a. Alright, I'm going to get rid of the dots. Let's do asterisks. Not crazy about it. Let's do a space there. And then space. Maybe that's too much. All right. I mean, well, you get the idea. So I just need to figure out what characters will make it look like a nice little explosion. But there it is. So I'll keep playing around. Let's see what else we could do next. Uh, Next iteration. So we got somewhat of state machine, and you can use the state machine for the sound too. And the thing is, yeah, the sound you can play, but I don't know if it's cross-platform that works well too. I mean, you can play um, sound clips. Oh, I think it's got built-in different tones and stuff you can play too. Like, but I don't know if it translates across different operating systems. We'll test that too. But I think this is good for today. Appreciate you watching my video and hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you later. Thanks. Bye.